Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display and Brightness. As you can see from this menu, you'll be able to manage all of display settings on your smartphone. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change between light and dark mode, enable or disable auto switch, and manage dark mode settings. For example, you can select between enhanced, medium or gentle. Also, you can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light condition, and manage dark mode for third-party apps. Next, you can change brightness level of your display manually, enable or disable auto brightness, eye comfort mode, auto rotate screen, and change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next, you can adjust screen color temperature, change screen color mode between vivid and gentle, enable or disable video color enhancer, font and display size, and in more, you can change screen refresh rate between auto select, standard and high, and manage screen display, front camera display by app, and full screen display by app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.